are with a little bit of hail today, some rain, unusual this time of year, but not totally unheard of. Pretty impressive. Yep, the dog likes to chase the rain, but she might have had enough. I bet we can get her to go out there. Go get it! Go get it! There we go. Maybe I shouldn't invite the dog out there to do that, but he's not big enough to hurt her. She'd know better. Wow, pretty impressive. Hope it doesn't get any bigger than that. Spoke too soon, probably. Wow. We've seen hail here before. It was about 80 plus degrees, and it's really cool right now. It's probably in the 60s. The hail is really coming down pretty good. Hopefully it won't be big enough to put a dent on the tire, but looks like we'll get a good covering of it.